Welcome back to Random Crockery. We're doing our third part of the sandwich, and you're going to love this one. If you saw part 2, you'll know that the coleslaw is pretty spicy. We need something to cool that down, and that's what this part is. It's a special Greek sauce called Tzatziki. Fresh herbs, cucumber, Greek yogurt. Here we go. We're using English cucumber. You just want to peel it very nicely, exposing some of the white flesh. Cut into 3 large pieces and then cut lengthwise. We're going to take our lengthwise pieces and cut them lengthwise again, and then cut from one end to the other, little dice, just like you see here. So we've got this nice cucumber, but it's going to be bitter. And what we want to do is put it in a bowl after this, cover it with salt, and just set it aside. Full recipe will be on the blog, randomcrockery.com. This is going to get kind of watery, so we're going to get rid of the water later. This recipe is such easy prep. So now we're just going to mince the herbs, the mint and the dill, and I'm just going to take my knife here and move them back, chopping as I make little quarter circle turns. We're going to do the same thing with the dill and the garlic. Once you're done cutting, just put it in a container, set it aside, and you're going to combine the garlic with the herbs. Next up, the cucumber. You want to get the saltiness out of it, so I use a salad spinner to wash it. As you can see, it's a little messy. You can also wash it and use cheesecloth. Combine with the garlic and the herbs in a blender or an immersion blender, along with some lemon juice and some black pepper. So we're just going to blend it until it's nice and uniform. I started stirring this in the immersion cup, but I think maybe a bowl is going to be better. So once you're done blending it, pour it in a bowl. And you'll see here in a second, you're just going to mix it together until it's nice and uniform. So you can use this sauce with anything. Use it as a vegetable dip, pita bread, do what I'm doing, and use it as the cream portion of the coleslaw on this sandwich. I challenge you to try this whole thing. I couldn't stop eating it. I had it for 3 meals in a row. So let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear back from you. Please subscribe if you love this show, and we'll see you next time on Random Crockery. Have a great day.